And 1, 2, 3. Hi, everyone. It's Craig C., Pioneer Ridge Realty, coming to you today from Whispering Pines near Slanesville, West Virginia. Got a great new offering, 6 acres. Property comes with a beautiful stream, as you can see pictured over my shoulder here. There's also a well already drilled on the property with a nice flat building site overlooking this beautiful hollow with the water. The well is it's 250 feet deep, produces 80 gallons per minute, so plenty of water. It also comes with a 3-bedroom conventional septic system already installed to the property. So beautiful Whispering Pines, Slanesville, West Virginia. You know, well under an hour to Winchester, Virginia, and under 2 hours to anywhere in DC. Perfect spot for a weekend retreat or a permanent home. So give me a call today. I'd love to come out and show you this great property. 304-813-1092. Thanks.